Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen. This is your PHS Afternoon News Today for Thursday, September 19th. The Brunswick Scenic Railway has held an audition for the Paoli Express. You must be 13 years of age to be considered for a role. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent to your email. Get your team together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. Junior high cross country will be away at Orleans tonight starting at 5. Junior high tennis will be home against Salem starting at 5. Junior high volleyball will be home against Northeast DuBois starting at 6. Any juniors who would like to take the PSATs need to come sign up in the guidance office by this Friday. This will provide more practice for the SATs and can qualify you for the National Merit Scholarship. I'm Kaulen at your afternoon news. Have a fantastic day. Good afternoon, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS Afternoon News Today for Thursday, September 19th. Can we restart?